What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Axos Bank Rewards Checking Account. Axos Bank Rewards Checking offers a high-yield online checking account with up to 3.30% APY and no monthly fees, making it an attractive option for those looking to earn interest on their deposits. By meeting specific criteria such as direct deposits and debit card transactions, customers can maximize their earnings and enjoy the benefits of this rewarding account. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits. Axos Bank Rewards Checking offers one of the highest interest rates available on a checking account with the potential to earn up to 3.30% APY. This tiered APY structure allows customers to maximize their earnings by meeting various activities requirements. To earn the highest APY, customers must receive monthly direct deposits totaling to $1,500 or more, make 10 debit card transactions per month, or sign up for Personal Finance Manager, maintain a $2,500 average daily balance per month in an Axos Investment Management portfolio account, maintain a $2,500 average daily balance per month in an Axos Invest self-directed trading account, or make monthly Axos loan payment from their Axos Rewards Checking Account. By meeting these criteria, customers can earn a highly competitive interest rate on their checking account balance, allowing their money to grow faster. Axos Bank Rewards Checking Account comes with no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft or non-sufficient fund fees. This makes it an attractive option for those looking to avoid common banking fees that can eat away at their account balance. With Axos Bank Rewards Checking, customers can focus on growing their savings without worrying about unexpected fees. Axos Bank Rewards Checking offers unlimited domestic ATM fee reimbursements, allowing customers to withdraw cash from any ATM in the US without incurring additional fees. This is particularly beneficial for those who frequently use ATMs or live in areas with limited access to their bank ATM's network. With this feature, customers can access their money whenever and wherever they need it without any added cost of ATM fees. Axos Bank Rewards Checking provides customers with a range of digital tools and features to manage their accounts conveniently. Early direct deposit allows customers to access their funds faster, while online wire transfers enable easy money transfers. Biometric identification, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, provides secure account access and real-time account alerts, keeping customers informed about their account activity. These digital tools make banking more efficient and accessible for customers who prefer to manage their finances online or on the go. With Axos Bank Rewards Checking, customers can enjoy the benefits of modern banking technology at their fingertips. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. The Axos Bank Rewards Checking Account uses a tiered interest model, meaning the APY you earn depends on meeting certain criteria. This can disadvantage those with small balances who may not be able to meet the requirements for the highest APY. For example, to earn the full 3.30% APY, you must maintain a $2,500 average daily balance in Axos Invest account, which may not be feasible for everyone. To qualify for the maximum 3.30% APY, you must meet a long list of requirements, including having at least $1,500 in monthly direct deposits, making 10 debit card transactions per month, and using your checking account to make Axos loan payments. These strict requirements may be difficult for some customers to constantly meet, limiting their ability to earn the highest interest rate. As an online-only bank, Axos Bank does not have any physical branch locations for in-person banking. While this may not be a drawback for some customers who prefer digital banking, others may prefer the option of visiting a location branch for certain transactions or to speak with a representative face-to-face. The lack of physical branches could be inconvenient for those who value in-person banking services. Axos Bank Rewards Checking offers a compelling combination of high interest rates, no monthly fees, and convenient digital tools, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their checking account earnings. While the tiered APY structure and strict requirements to earn the highest interest rate may be a drawback for some, the account's overall benefits, such as unlimited ATM fee reimbursements and a user-friendly digital platform, position it as a strong contender in the competitive online checking account market. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.